Haya, ya pili, the second example, this is example A, this is B. So we can try another example like 1 over 5 minus 1 over 10. Let's see what happens in that case. So the first thing, what do we do? What do we do? Find the LCM of what and what? 5 and 10. So what is the LCM of 5 and 10? 10 is the LCM of 5 and 10. So how many times does 5 go to 10? Twice. Twice. Say what twice? Twice. 2 times 1? 2 minus. How many times does 10 go to 10? 1. So 1 times 1? 1. And the answer is 2 minus 1 is what? 1 out of what? 10. Very good. So, maybe I can use that other method to do here, just for revision.
Yes.
1 over 2 minus 1 over 3. Tulisema namna gani? Tulisema unachukua this times this. Sivyo?
Yes.
This times this. What is 3 times 1?
3.
Minus. Today is a minus. Alright?
Yes.
The other time it was what? Plus. So 2 times 1. 2 times 1? 2. And then over. What is 3 times 2? 6. So that the answer is what? 3 minus 2 is 1. Divided by what? Divided by 6. Are we there?
Yes.
Also, I can do the second one using that method. 1 over 5. 1 over 5 minus 1 over 10. Again, who can tell us the first thing we do? Yes? 10 times 1 is what? 10 minus 5 times 1 is 5 all over 5 times 10, right? Which is what? 50. And the answer is 5 over what? 5 over 50. 5 over 50, but you know, if we divide by 5 1 here, by 5 what? 10. So the answer is finally 1 out of 10. Like so. So we can continue with another example. This is just a shorter way of doing proper fraction. A shorter way of doing what? Proper fractions, if you want. We can do number C, which is going to be the last before we go to mixed fractions. So here we have another example. Let me do another example like 2 over 7 minus 1 over 9. Yes. 2 over 7 minus 1 over 9. Let's see what happens. Now the first thing we do is find the LCM of 7 and 9. And what is the LCM of 7 and 9? What is the LCM of 7 and 9? Yes? LCM of 7 and 9? 60? Is it 63? Yes, 63. So how many times does 7 go to 63? How many times does 7 go to 63? 9. 9 times, eh? 9 times 2? 18. We get what? 18 minus... Now, how many times does 9 go to 63?
7.
7 times 1? 7. And the answer is 18 minus 7, you get what? 11. You get 11 over what? 63. Like so. Easy or hard?
Easy.
Very easy, right?
Yes.
Very easy. So let's go to the next thing. So this was subtraction of proper fractions. Now let's go to subtraction of mixed fractions. Really fast. Mixed fractions. Subtraction of mixed fractions. Alright. We are going to work on an example. Let's say example. So the first example is 5 and 1 over 2 minus 3 and 1 over 3. So we start with that one. Now the first thing we do, we said we have two ways in which we can work out this one. The first one is first of all to subtract the whole numbers, alright?
Yes.
We can use that method first and then we see what happens. So if I subtract the whole numbers, what do I get? 5 minus 3, I get what?
2.
I get 2. And I find the LCM of what and what? 2 and 3, which is what?
6.
Is 6. And then, how many times does 2 go to 6?
3.
3 times. 3 times 1 is what? 3. Minus, how many times does 3 go to 6? 2 times 1? 2. So that the answer finally becomes 2 whole and 1 out of what?
6.
1 out of 6. Very simple, right?
Yes.
Very simple. I will use the other method here. First of all, you remember we are supposed to change everything to proper fraction. So improper fraction, the first fraction is 5 whole 1 over 2. And to change it into improper fraction, it's going to be 2 times 5 plus 1, right? 2 times 5 plus 1. What is 2 times 5? Raise up your hand. What is 2 times 5? You don't know? Yes. 10 plus 1 plus what? 11. So 11 over what? 11 over 2 minus. What is 3 times 3? Somebody? 3 times 3? Yes. 9. 9 plus what? 10. 10 out of what? 10 out of 3. Now we can work it from here. Either using that method of mine I showed you before, or using the normal method that we know. Let's use the normal method that we know. The LCM of 2 and 3, we said is what? Yes? 6. 6. Now 2 goes to 6 how many times? 3 times, right? 3 times 11? 33. 33 minus 3 goes to 6 how many times? Twice, alright? Twice. 2 times 10 is? 20. And if you subtract this, then you get 33 minus 20. You get what? 13 out of 6. Are we there? But you don't leave it at that. Are we there? You divide. You go ahead and divide 13 divided by 6. Right? 13 divided by 6. So 6 goes to 13 how many times? 6 goes to 13 how many times? 2 times, huh? 2 because of what? 12. What is the remainder here? 1. So the final answer, we take 2, and then 1 out of what? 6. Very good. Alright. Let's work on the second example. So this is how we work it out, but this is also an alternative way of working it out. Sasa, hii ni alternative. Kuna mtu anauliza, na ile method yako ingewaka hapa? Yes, inaweza. Unafanya 3 times 11, 33. Sivyo? Minus 2 times 10 is 20. Divide by 2 times 3 is what? 6. So you see we are back here. You see? So it's the same. You can work it out like that. So let's go to the second one. B. We can solve something like 7 and 5 over 11 minus 2 and 1 over 3. 2 and 1 over 3. Yes. Let's go. So if we use this method, tell me what is the first thing we do? Somebody. Yes. We subtract the whole numbers, which is 7 and what? 7 and 2. So what is 7 minus 2? 5. 5. And then the LCM of 11 and 3. So what is the LCM of 11 and 3? Somebody? Yes, Ezra? Huh? 33. Very good. And you should know how to find the LCM. The LCM is not always multiplying the numbers. Are we there? It's not always multiplying the numbers. Like in this case where in somewhere we had 10 and 5. 10 and 5. You remember that? So you must find the LCM the way I taught you before. So 11 goes to 33 how many times? How many times does 11 go to 33? 3 times 5 is what? 15 minus. How many times does 3 go to 33? 11. 11 times 1? 11. So the final answer is 5. What is 15 minus 11? 4. Over what? Over 33. That's good. I think those examples are enough.
Yes.
Are those enough?
Yes.
Now, I'll go to the next part. Maybe I can give you one so that you attempt on your exercise book. Are we there?
Yes.
Can you attempt this? Attempt this so that I see whether you can be able to get 10 whole 2 over 3 minus 6 whole and 1 over 3. So I want to see the first one to finish this. The first one to finish this. The first one to finish this. As I mark. The first one to finish this. 10 whole 2 over 3 minus 6 whole 1 over 3. Who has 10? This is very easy. This is very easy. Very easy. 10 whole 2 over 3 and 6 whole 1 over 3. Yes. You are through?
Yes.
Yes. Let me see. Yes, who else is through? Yes, you got it. Yes, you got it. Simplify. Yes, you got it. Simplify. Simplify. Hey, you are not yet done. Yes, you got it. Yes, simplify by 3 1 by 3 9 3. Who else? Yes, you got it. Yes, good. Oh, I see you people are good. You get very fast. You get very fast. You understand very fast. That's enough. That's enough. So let's move to, because you have understood that, we can now move to multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of what? Fractions. I'll give you an exercise on that. I'll give you an exercise on subtraction later on. So let's talk about multiplication of fractions. So this is what we say. If you have two fractions, consider fraction A over B and C over D. Hey, those are two fractions. Are we there?
Yes.
I'm just giving you some small notes so that you don't forget. To multiply the fractions, to multiply the fractions, then we say A over B times C over D. Are we there? That's how we say. And the answer for this, look. Consider a fraction a over b and fraction c over d. Those are just general fractions. If you want to multiply the two fractions, then you say a over b times. You know what this means times? C over what? D. And the answer for this is going to be, how do you do fractions? You multiply the numerator and the denominator separately. Are we there?
Yes.
In this case, it's going to be a times c. Are we there?
Yes.
Which is going to be ac in this case. And b times d is going to be what? B, d. Now let's do an example. If we do an example, it's going to be so easy. Example. Examples. Work out. Work out. Work out A. Work out A. The first one is 2 over 3 times 4 over 5. 4 over 5. 2 over 3 times 4 over 5. So let's go. 2 over 3 times 4 over 5. So who is going to tell me what we have said? Who is going to tell me what we have said? Yes. You multiply the numerators. No?
Yes.
The numerators. What are the numerators here? 2 and what? So what is 2 times 4? 8. And then you multiply the denominators. The denominators are 3 and what? 5. So what is 3 times 5? 15. So the answer is 8 out of what? 15. Easy or hard? Easy or hard? Easy. Let's go to the next example. That's going to be B. Let's do 5 over 11 times 22 over 30. Yes, that one. I'll show you 2 methods to do this. You know the second method, I always use this side so that you... So let's do what we know. First of all, we have agreed that for you to solve a problem like this with our times here, then we say 5 times 22. What is 5 times 22?
110.
Oh, you know that. 110. That is good. Divide by. What is 11 times 30? Oh, that one. 11 times 30. Oh, that one. That one. Very fast. Multiply it in your... Very good. 330. Are we there? But we don't leave the answer at that. Are we there? We have to simplify the answer. First of all, we are allowed to cancel the 0 and the 0. Are we there?
Yes.
And then we remain with 11 out of 33. Remember, we can still simplify this because 11 can go into 33. Are we there?
Yes.
Yes. So by 11, 1, by 11 goes how many times? 3 times, right? So by 11, 1, by 11 here we get what? 3. The final answer is 1 over 3. But you see, we can also solve this problem like this. 5 out of 11 times 22 over what? 30. Now, you see, in multiplication, we are allowed to cancel the numbers that are divisible. For example, 11 can go to 22. Are we there?
Yes.
11 can go to 20?
2.
How many times?
2 times.
Twice. Well, you want to see 2 times. Unasema twice. Are we there?
Yes.
So 11 can go to 22 how many times? Twice. So by 11, 1. By 11? By 11 what? 2. In this case, eh? Alright. Now, 5 can also go to 30. Alright?
Yes.
So that we have by 5, 1. By 5, 6. The final answer is 2 over 6. But we can still simplify this. Are we there?
Yes.
By 2, 1. By 2, 3. And the final is what? The final answer is 1 over 3. Are we there?
Yes.
In multiplication, we are allowed to do this. But when you see addition or subtraction, you cannot cancel like this. Are we there?
Yes.
This only applies in multiplication. Are we there?
Yes.
Very good. So let's do another example. See? So this is how to do it, but this is also another alternative. Are we there?
Yes.
This is how to do it, but this is also another alternative when you want to simplify your work. Now the next example, we can do mixed fraction here. So 5 and 1/3 times 2 and 2/3. Let's go that. Now, in this case, are we allowed to first of all multiply the whole numbers like we were doing before? Yes? Are we allowed? You know, in addition and subtraction, you told me the first thing we do is to add the whole numbers or subtract the whole numbers for addition and subtraction. But in multiplication, are we allowed to multiply first the whole numbers first? What do we do in this case? What is the best thing to do in this case? Alright, you don't know, right? Yes? 5 times 3 plus 1. That is called changing into improper fraction. Are we there? So if you see a mixed fraction in multiplication, the best thing you can do first is to change it into an improper fraction. And how do you do that? 5 times 3 in this case plus 1. Are we there? 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1 is 16 out of what? Out of 3 times 2 times 3 is what? 6 plus 2 is 8 over what? 8 over 3. Come on. Look at this problem. Look at this problem. Now, there is no way we can simplify like this. Are we there? Why? Because 3 does not go to 15, 3 does not go to 8, 3 doesn't go to 16. So we have to use the other method that we were using before. That of multiplying the numerators first and multiply the denominators. So if you multiply 16 times 8, what do you get? Yes? 128. 128 divided by, if you multiply the denominators, what do you get? 3 times 3? You get 9. You leave your answer at this. You leave your answer at this? No, you have to change it into a mixed fraction. Let's go. So 128 divided by, no, this is a square root. Divide by 9, right? Divide by 9. So 1 because of what? 9, right?
Yes.
Remains what? 12 minus 9 remains what? 3. We drop what? 8. And then how many times does 9 go to 38? How many times does 9 go to 38? 4 times, right? 4 because of what? 4 because of 36. Remains what? Remains 2. So the final answer in this case is going to be 14 whole. Are we there?
Yes.
And then 2 over what? And then 2 over?
9.
Simple. Simple. Do I give you one to do?
Yes.
Do I give you one to do?
Yes.
Before I give you one, let's do division. Because today I wanted us to finish fractions. Let's do division of fractions first. We can do division and then I'll give you two exercises to attempt. Alright, let's go. So division of fractions. For division of fractions, it is a bit different from multiplication. And let me show you how we do it. Consider fraction A over B and C over D. To divide A over B and C over D, then we say A over B divided by C over D. C. Okay. Write very fast. You know, these are small notes that you should always refer to. Are we there? When you forget, you go back to these small notes and look at how we do division, how we do multiplication, and so on. So, in this case, for us to divide A over B, divide by C over D, what we do here, we take A over B, and then we replace division with what? We replace division with what? 8. You should know this. We replace division with what? Multiplication. Are we there? And then, what do we do to the second fraction? Hey, you don't know this? You don't know this? You don't know this? Let me tell you. So, you replace division with multiplication. Are we there? And then the second fraction, you invert it. You find its reciprocal. Say reciprocal. You know the reciprocal?
Yes.
Reciprocal is, you take this up, this down. Are we there? You interchange. So, D over what? D over what? C. Now, for you to understand better, let's do an example. Alright? Example. Work out. A. We start with 2 over 5 divided by 3 over 7. 3 over 7. So yeah. Now 2 over 5 divided by 3 over 7. So let me use this small space here. To do this, remember we say first of all we write the first fraction, which is 2 over 5, and then this division we change it to multiplication. Are we there? The moment we change it to multiplication, we have to do something to the second fraction. We find what? Yes? The reciprocal. The reciprocal means this coming up and this going down. South. Like this. You invert. So this is going to be 7 over what? 7 over 3. Are we there? Now, do you know how to do multiplication? Yes, you know how to do multiplication. Now, we multiply 2 times 7 is what? 14. And 5 times 3 is what?
15.
That is the final answer. Easy? Easy or hard?
Easy.
Now, the only problem with this question is you change this to multiplication. Are we there? Changing this to multiplication. But the moment you change this division to multiplication, you have to find the reciprocal of this number. Unaelewa? Twende B. B. 5 out of 11 divided by 20 out of 44. Yes. Alright, so the first thing we do here is to change this. You know, some of you might be tempted to multiply directly. Don't do that, okay? You have to change this to be multiplication. 5 out of 11 times. Now he's going to tell me what to do here. Somebody tell me. Yes? Yeah? Find the reciprocal of 20 over 11, right? Which is going to be what? Somebody? It's going to be? 44 over what? Over 20. Are we there? Now here, friends, you are allowed to cancel. Do you remember how I did it there? Now let me do it first of all. Don't write. Or maybe you can write somewhere. Times 44. 44 over what? 20. You know, by 11, 1, by 11, 4. Alright? By 5, 1, by 5, 4. Alright? 4 goes to 4 how many times? Once. The final answer is what? Is that true? Oh. Is that true? Yes, it is true. The final answer is what? 1. But let's do it here so that we see what happens. So what is 5 times 44? 5 times 44. Yeah? 5 times 44. 220 divided by, what is 11 times 20? 11 times 20? Also 200 and what? 20. You see, this cancels out with this, so that the answer is what? 1. By 221, by 221. So the answer is what? 1. 1 divided by 1, 1 over 1 is 1. Are we there? Simple. Now let me do C, the one with a mixed fraction. 5 and 2 over 3. Before I give you yours, divide by 2 and 5 and 9 over 10. 9 over 10, like that. Now, this also, the first thing you do for this problem, to change into an improper fraction. Are we there? Improper fraction. So, this is going to be 5 times 3, 15 plus 2, 17 over 3, right? Divide by 2 times 10 is 20 times plus 9 is 29 over 10. Now the next step is to remove this division. 17 over 3 times 10 over what? 10 over 20? 29. Oh, this is going to be a long problem. A long one. Now, this one is easy. 17 times 10 is what? 170. Divide by. Now, 3 times 29. 3 times 29. Very fast. It's going to be 60 plus 18. Yeah? Are What is it? 87. You get 87?
Yes.
87 like that?
Yes.
Are we there? Now, do we leave our answer at that? Do we leave our answer at that? No. Maybe I can just use. So we say 170 divided by 180. 87. Are we there? Yes. 87 inaingia mara ngapi kwa 170? Inafika mara mbili kweli? Inafika mara mbili? I think it's stable. So ni mara moja because of what? 18? 18? Inabaki ngapi? Inabaki ngapi? This is 10 minus 7 is what? 3. Oh no. Hapa imebaki 6. 6, eh? 16 minus 8 is what? 8. So that the final answer is 1 whole. The remainder is 83 out of 87. Are we there? Yes. Very good. So that's it. Let me give you your work to try. Now try this on your own so that I see how you do it. The first one is going to be easy. This is D. Do this. 5 over 8 divided by 26 over that. Oh. No, 40. Yes. Who is the first to finish? 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 The first to finish? Five over 8 divided by 26 over 40. The first one to finish? Is it the first? somebody. I see somebody here. Near the part. That's it. Now you have to simplify this, okay? Simplify. By 2, 100. By 2, 1 off. By 2, 50. By 2, 50. By 2, 25. By 2, 20. 26. Huh? So, good. Simplify. Who is next? Oh, yes. She got it. She got it. Now this one you should simplify to the end, okay? For example, this is 200 over 208. Eh? Divide by 2, 100 by 2. 54, right? 104. And so on and so on, until you get the simplest form, the simplest answer. I'll mark for Emmanuel. No, there's a problem. Check. Where is your answer? Now, there's no problem here. You know, this is not good. Can you check? That is 26. Check again. Check again. Now this is not 308. Should be 208. Check that again. Check your multiplication. Alright. Now you have to simplify to the end. But that's good. Simplify to the end. But that's good. Where? Now this is correctly done. Now, you see you got it here, but you didn't get it here. You simplified. You didn't simplify well. You know, if you divide by 2, 104, you divide by 2, you get 100 here. Are we there? So this is right, but the simplification is wrong. Check that. So I think we can do it together. We can do it together so that we see what happens. Some of you have gotten it. Now this one, we say 5 over 8 times 40 over 26. Alright? Yes. If you multiply 40 by 5, what do you get? 40 by 5? 200. Divide by 26 times 8. 208. Now you see you can simplify this one. For example, by 2 you get what? 100. By 2 you get 104. You can still simplify by 2. By 2 you get 50. By 2 you get 52. You can still go ahead and simplify further, right? By 2 you get 25, and by 2 here you get 26. That's the final answer. Are we there?
Yeah.
But also, you see, if somebody decided to simplify it at this point, 5 over 8 divided by, or times 40 over 26 by 8 1 by 8 5. You see that? So that 5 times 5 is what? 25. And then 1 times 6 is what? 20? 26. You see? You can do it at that point if you want. So, are we there? This is easy, especially if you know how to cancel those numbers that are divisible. Are we there?
Yes.
Are we okay?
Yes.
Yes? Ati? Multiplication. But you know multiplication and division are almost the same, right? The only difference is that you change this division to multiplication. Now you know multiplication. So I'll give you some exercise. Get me the master book. Master. I'll give you some mark. Yes? On Smart Mind. Alright, Smart Mind. Get me the smart mind. You don't have master. Oh, now exercise. I'm going to give you some. The exercise on page 43. You do number 1A, number 3 and 4. Number 1A, 3 and 4. So, that is task 5. Page 43. Number 1A, 3 and number 1A, and then number 3 and 4. Are we there?
Yes.
Then task 6 on page 44. We do number 1A, number 3 and 4. Number 1A, number 3 and 4. Task 7. Task 7. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are we there? No. Number task 7. You do number 1A, 3 and 4. Again. Number 1A, 3 and 4. But in task 9, you do the whole of it. Are we there? All the questions, number 1 to 5. Number 1 to 5. And then, task 10. Task 10. Number 1A. B, C, D. Number 1 peke. Oh. And number 2. Number 1 and number 2. Number 1 and number 2. And finally, this work will be done tomorrow, tomorrow, and the other day. So. And then finally, task 11. Wewe fanya vile nakwambia. Task 11, number 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ya mwisho. Task 13. Task 13. Number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, number 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sasa hiyo kazi utafanya leo, kesho kutwa. Sinivo? Kesho na kesho? Yeah. So you do that one. Are we there?